So in this video, you'll learn how to install and set up the Gboard, also known as the Google keyboard, on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to launch the Google Play Store. Then you want to use the search feature and you want to type in Gboard. And then search. You should see it listed here in the search results. So all you need to do is simply select it and then tap on install and wait for the keyboard to be added onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can just navigate back to the home screen, look for the app icon on there and just tap on it. So from here, you now need to go through the process of setting up the Gboard. To do that, you need to actually enable it on your phone. So just tap on enable settings and then tap on the toggle next to Gboard to turn it on and confirm your choice. Once you've confirmed your choice, you then want to navigate back to the Gboard app. Then you should see this option, select input method. So this is just switching you from the Samsung keyboard to the Gboard. So just tap on it, choose Gboard, and then select done to finish the process. And so now the keyboard that you're going to be using on your A36 is the newly installed Google keyboard. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.